Hello there. We at Colossal Biosciences would like to make an important announcement.
We stand today on the edge of a new frontier.
There are an awful lot of clues out there, if you knew how to put them in.
Nature once determined how we survive. Now we determine how nature survives.
We are pleased to announce that for the first time ever in history, we have successfully resurrected a prehistoric pop culture icon.
It's a dire wolf.
You actually have dire wolves?
Science! What do you mean?
The dire wolf isn't a fantasy, it's real, and Colossal has successfully de-extincted this amazing species, which hasn't walked the earth in over 10,000 years. First, we extracted direwolf DNA from a 72,000-year-old skull, and then used that DNA to assemble and build out a reference genome. From there, we isolated the correct genes, engineered them into a gray wolf cell, and then cloned and implanted the nucleus to get the basis of a direwolf embryo.
Really cool.
Once the embryo divided, we implanted it into a surrogate, and voila, the direwolf was reborn.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Whether we like change or not, it's pretty much guaranteed.
That's right. Things will change for the better.
Here's to the young wolf.
Science!
I don't believe it! There she goes again!
Science! So what now?
We will continue what we do best. Restore the past for a better future tomorrow.